Here is the 2024 Yamaha AR195. This boat is in the blue and white color scheme. This trailer comes with the swing tongue. You have these pull cleats. The middle one for a pull cleat. And then the rear. Back here we have the jet pump with an articulated keel. Here's the ladder, you just push it in, pull it out, push it back in. Here's the rear cleat. Port side gas cap, just push this in, pull it up. Clamps in there real nice. There's the mid cleat. And then the front. Alright, now for the interior of the 2024 Yamaha AR195. Up here at the bow of the boat, you have your bow filler cushions. Each of these side cushions have storage underneath them, and they're also on hinges. The nice aluminum grab handles, cup holders there on the side, speakers right there in the front. You have the walk-through windshield. Storage on both front sides here. Little garbage can there, and there's the table for the rear mount, which I'll show in a second. Boat has storage underneath for any type of water sports that you may have. You have a fully adjustable steering wheel. It comes with a 4-inch display that has all your tachometer in there. It's fully customizable. Have the controls for your Bluetooth radio. You have your aux and USB port, and then 12-volt port right there. And this boat has the mode for the cruise assist. You have this nice captain's chair here. The seat has that foldable option there. Goes also front and back and left and right on that little control in the front there. Also has the mirror for towing. A nice bench seat there with more storage underneath this seat. Here in the engine compartment, this boat comes with the 250 horse motor. And then up top, you have the wake tower with the bimini top, and it is foldable. Back here, that right there is the mount for that table, as well as more cup holders. The back of the boat here, you have the marine mat flooring. Pull this up. Right there is the drain plug. In this compartment right there is the clean out port. You got some good grab handles. Back of the boat. And that concludes the interior of the Yamaha AR195.